Hello students, welcome to online maths class. How are you students? Yes, I am fine. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, what did we learn in last class? Students, what did we learn in last class? Measurement, length. Okay, so measurements, length. Today we cover the topic is measurements, weights. Okay, measurement, weight. Okay, please see the slide. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is measurements, weight. Okay, ma? So, measuring mass using non-standard units. Okay. So, measuring mass using non-standard units. Okay. So, measurement. So, what is mean by measurement? So, measurement is the assignment of a number to characteristics of an object or event which can be compared with the other objects or event. Okay, so compare one object to other object. Okay, ma? The scope and application of the measurement are depend on the context and discipline. Okay, so what is mean by measurement? What is mean by measurement weight? Okay, so compare weight one thing to other things. Okay, okay. See next one. So compare stones and watermelon. So what is the fruit of the name? So name of the fruit is the watermelon. So that the main things time, money, length and weight. Okay, time, money, length, weight. Okay, once again time, money, length and weight. Okay. See the next one. Okay, students, please take your workbook. Okay, students, please take a page number 64. Students, please take a page number 64. So, today we cover the topic is measurements, weight. Okay, how to find if an object is heavier than another object. Okay, students. So, students, before the class started, one activity. Okay, I think you are very good students. So very good, my dear students. Very good. Okay, so you are a very good students, I know well. Okay, so students, so see some example. So what is this? So that one is the balance. Okay, so that is the balance. Okay, that one is a balance. Okay, students. So what is this? So this is a balance. Okay. So that one is a stones, weight stones. Okay. So every stone is a 50 gram. Okay. So every stone is a 50 gram. So these are the stones. Okay, ma? So students, please take your maths workbook. Please take a page number 64. Okay, please take a page number 64, ma. Okay, please take a book. Take a page number 64. Okay. Okay. How to find if an object is heavier than another object? Okay. So first we teach. Okay. We learn about the how to find if an object is heavier than another object. Okay. So compare directly. So first one, compare directly. Okay. Place object 1 in one pan and object 2 is the second pan. Okay. So first one is the object 1. So second one is the object 2, second pan. Okay. See that. Okay. So the pan that goes down has the heavier object. Okay. See that. So I compare. Okay. Okay, students, see that. So this is a balance. So I compare. I have one fruit. So that is the banana. Okay, see that. This is a banana. Okay, I compare fruit. Okay, so this is a stone. So the stone is a 50 gram. So near 50 gram. So banana is a 100. Okay, that is a 100 gram. See that? Okay, students. Next, I compare one tester. So you know that this is a tester. Okay, compare the tester for the stone. So first object is a, what is that? This is a duster, and second one is a stone. Okay, so duster is a weight object. Okay. Okay, students, see your book. Okay, take a book. So compare directly. So place object 1. Okay, first is a one pan and the object 2 in the second pan. Okay, ma. So the pan that goes down has a heavier object. Okay, so compare. So brisk and mango. Okay, brisk and mango. Now we compare fruit of the banana and one stones, 50 gram stones. Okay, so the brisk is heavier than the mango. Okay, so the banana is heavier than the, okay, stones. Okay, so next one, compare weight by the number of cubes. Okay, how many cubes are needed to balance of the pan's object 1? Okay, first you compare. Okay, first you compare the objects. Okay, students, so you compare the objects. Okay, how many cubes are needed to balance the pan for the object 2? Okay, so you compare the objects. So first one is a 5 cubes mango and second is a 10 cubes and brisk. Okay, so the object that needs more weights to balance the heavier than object. Okay, students, so now we go to compare. Students, we see that. So the first object is a, what is this? This is a all out. This is the all out. Okay. So this is a mosquito power active plus 1. Okay. So I compare mosquito. Okay. So second object is a 50 gram stone. Okay. So compare 50 gram stone. See that. So which one is a greater value? Okay. So which one is a heavier? Compare. Very good. So all out is a heavier. Okay. Second, we compare one tomato. So what is that? That is a tomato. See that? It is a tomato. So I compare one tomato and stone. So it's a equal balance. Okay, see that? Equal balance. Okay. So next one, I have one apple. So what is that? So have one apple. You see that? So that's a one apple. Okay. I compare. Okay. Object 1 is a apple and object 2 is a stone. Okay. So already I put in a 50 gram stone. So add to 100 and 150. Okay. 150. But apple is heavier than the stones. Okay. See that. Okay, students, do you understand? Okay, next we compare one lemon. Okay, so what is that? This is a lemon. Okay, I compare lemon. Okay, so first one is a 50 gram stone. So moreover equal weight. Okay, okay, students. I think this is useful for you. Okay, so you take the page number 65. Students, please take a page number 65. So, make different shapes of clay, rough and weight them using weight balance and cubes. Write your measurements in the following table. Page number 65. This is the homework for you. Okay, students, this is the homework for you. Please do this activity. Okay, students. So, next one. Okay. So, solve the following word problems. Okay, what is that? Solve the following word problems. Okay. First one, a sheep. Okay, see the slide mark. So first one, what is that? So a sheet of a paper weighs 2 cubes. How many cubes? 2 cubes. Okay, so it is crumpled and weight again. Weight gain. Okay, so what is its weight now? Okay, first you compare. Okay, weight of the sheet of a paper and weight of the crumpled paper. Okay, okay, students, please see the board. So first one, must see the board mark. So weight of the sheet of a paper. So weight of the sheet of paper. How many papers? How many cubes, ma? 2 cubes. Please write in a worksheet. Fill in the blanks. First one is the 2 cubes. Please write fast, students. First one is the 2 cubes. Okay. So second one, weight of the crumpled paper. So you compare how many cubes? So second, first one, weight of the sheet of your paper is 2 cubes. So second one, weight of the crumpled paper is also 2 cubes. Okay. So that is the 2 cubes. Okay. Students, please write fast. Write in the worksheet paper, page number 65. Okay, students, please write fast. Okay. Okay, students, second one, okay, B, clay weighing 8 cubes is used to make a ball. One, make a ball. Okay, you know ball? Okay, the same amount of clay is then used to make a cylinder. Okay, that one is a cylinder. So, will the weight of the cylinder remain the same? Why? Do you understand this question? So clay weighing 8 cubes, ma. So how many cubes? 8 cubes. Okay. Please see the. Okay, ma. Please see the weight of the. Okay. Clay weighing 8 cubes. Okay. Clay weight 8 cubes is used to make a watch ball. Okay. The same amount of clay is then used to make a cylinder. So what is that? So cylinder. Okay. So will the weight of the cylinders remain the same? Is the same or not? No. Okay. So the weight of the so why? So the now answer is the weight of the cylinder will remain the same. Okay, it's the same. Okay, due to conversion of weight. Okay, students, please write in a worksheet. So the weight. Okay, the weight of the cylinder. Okay, the weight of the cylinder will remain. What's that? Will remain the same. What is that? The answer is the same. Okay, so that is the same. Okay, same due to conversions, conservation of weight of weight. Okay, students, please write in the worksheet. Okay, question number B. Okay, write fast. The weight of the cylinder will remain the same. So this is the same. Okay, so due to conservation of weight. Okay, write fast, students. Please take a screenshot and write fast. Okay, write fast. Okay, do you finish? Okay, students. So next one, A wooden block has the same weight. Okay, a wooden block has the same weight as a bicycle. The wooden block is used up completely to make a table. To make a table. So, how heavy would the table be? Okay, please listen carefully. Okay, the wooden block. You know wooden block? Okay. So has the same weight as a bicycle. Okay, so compare wooden block and bicycle. The wooden block is used to completely make a table. You know table ma? Okay. So how heavy would the table be? Students, you think? So which one is the heavier? Heavyweight table or wooden block? Okay, students. So I tell the answer. Please see the board. Okay, ma. Okay. So the table will be the table will be as heavy. Okay. So that is the wood. Okay. So the table will be heavy as the bicycle. You know bicycle? Okay. Bicycle due to conservation, okay, of weight principle. Okay, once again read the question. So third question, a wooden block has the same weight. Okay, a wooden block has the same weight. Okay, same weight as a bicycle. Okay, so compare wooden block and bicycle. Okay, ma. So the wooden block is used completely make a which one, ma? Table. Okay, so how heavy would the table be? Okay, so the answer is that. So the table will be as heavy. Okay, as a heavy. Okay, it's a very weight. Okay, heavier weight. Okay, heavy as the what? Bicycle. So which is the bicycle due to conservation of weight principle. Okay, please see carefully. The table will be as heavy. Sentence. Okay, please underline. Please write in the max notebook. The table will be as heavy as the bicycle due to conservation of weight principle. Please write fast, students. Please write fast. The table will be as heavy as the bicycle. Okay, the bicycle due to conservation of bicycle of a weight principle. Okay, please write fast. Write fast, students. Okay. So see the next question. A sheet of cardboard weighs 5 stones. Okay, 5. Okay, see the next one. A sheet of cardboard weighs 5 stones. It is made into a box. Okay, 10 stones are packed in it. Okay, so what is the first question? The weight of the cardboard sheet. Okay, see the board mark. Okay, students, please see that. So, first I compare one object and other object, second object. So, first one is what is this? That one is a lemon. Okay, so first put in the balance. Okay, so this is a 50-gram stone. Okay, so I compare. So, compare. Which one is heavier weight? Students, tell the answer. Which one is the heavier weight? So moreover, equal weight. Okay. So it is also the same question. Okay. See the question, page number 65. Take the page number 65. Okay, so first one, a sheet of cardboard weighs 5 stones. Okay, 5 stones. Okay, it is made into a box. Okay, it made into a one box. Okay, so 10 stones are packed in it. Okay, so next one. So what is the total weight? Total means what is that? Total means adding. Okay, you know that total means adding. Okay, so weight of the package. So see the first question. So weight of the cardboard sheet. So what is the first question? So weight of the cardboard sheet. Okay, so first one is the how many stones, ma? 5 stones. Write in our sheet. 5. Take a pencil and write in the fill in the blanks. Okay. 5 stones. Please write fast. Weight of the cardboard sheets. Weight of the okay. So weight of the cardboard sheets 5 stones. Okay. So second one weight of the box. See the question. Weight of the box. So a sheet of your cardboard weighs 5 stones. It is made into a box. Okay. So 10 stones are packed in it. Okay. So the question is, so what is the total weight of the package? Okay. So see carefully, listen. So second one is the weight of the box also. So 5 stones. Okay. So write fast, students. Please write fast. So weight of the cardboard sheet also 5 stones. So second one, weight of the box is the 5 stones. Okay, ma? Please write fast. Okay. So next question, the total weight of the package. Okay. You know the total. Total means adding, addition. Okay. See that. So total. Okay. So total weight of the package. Okay, total weight of the package. Okay, students, total weight of the package. Okay, adding 2 stones. Okay, weight of the box and weight of the stones. Okay, weight of the box. Okay, okay, weight of the box plus. Okay, so weight of the stones. Okay, ma? So weight of the box plus weight of the stones. So five weight of the box. How many bars is there? So 5 box and 5 stones. So for box also 5 stones. So cardboards also 5 stones. Okay. So both are 5 stones plus weight of the box plus weight of the stones mark. Okay. So 5 stones plus 5 stones. Okay. Now we go to add. Okay. So what is the question? The total. Okay. The what is the total weight of the package? Okay. So 5 plus 5, 10. Okay. You know that the addition. Okay. 5 in the mind. Rise up the 5 fingers after 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ma? So that is the 10 stones. Okay, see carefully. Once again recall. Okay, weight of the cardboard sheet 5 stones. Okay, so Michelle, yeah, 5 stones. Okay, weight of the box 5 stones. It's also same 5 stones. Okay, so what is the question? The total weight of the package. The total weight of the package. Okay, ma. So total means adding. Okay, so weight of the box plus weight of the stones. Okay, so adding. So 5 stones plus 5 stones. Okay, ma? So 5 plus 5, 10. So now we get the answer 10 stones. Okay, students, once again, a sheet of cardboard weighs, okay, a sheet of cardboard weighs 5 stones, okay, it is made into a box, okay, so 10 stones are packed in it, okay, ma, 10 stones are packed in it, okay, so what is the total weight of the package, okay, so first one, weight of the cardboard sheet 5 stones, okay, second one, weight of the box is also 5 stones. So next one, total weight of the package. So the answer is weight of the box plus weight of the stones. Okay. So now we go to add. So 5 stones plus 5 stones. So answer 10 stones. Okay, ma. So see that. Take the page number 66. Students, please take the page number 66. Okay, so please see that. So calculate the unknown weight to the balance each scale. Okay, so first one is the 8 cubes. So second one is the, so water bottle is the 5 cubes and ball is the dash cubes. Okay, so weight of the ball dash cubes, you think and write the answer. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Okay, students. Okay, ma'am. So solve the following word problem. Okay. So first question, the estimated weight of a bag of fruits is the 10 stones. Okay. So when the bag was actually weighted, okay, already weighed. Okay, it was 11 stones. How many stones? 11 stones. So was it a close estimate? Okay. So what is the difference between the estimated weight and the actual weight? Okay, first you compare, ma. Okay, so it was a close estimate. Okay, so difference in estimated weight and actual weight. Okay, students. So this is a homework for you. Take a page number 66. Okay, ma. Page number 66. So first and second sum also homework for you. Okay, do this sum. Okay, please see this slide. So please students, please take a screenshot the sum. Okay. So this is also take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, ma. Okay. So which one is heavier? Okay. So this is also take a screenshot and compare the to tell the answer. Okay. So first one is 5 cubes. So second one is 20 paper clips. So which one is heavier? Cubes or paper clips? Very good. Cubes. Okay. So second one. So 4 crayons and 10 counters. Okay. So which one is the heavier, ma? Which one is heavier? Crayons. Okay. So third one, square blocks and hexagon blocks. Okay. So next to one. So next to one and glue sticks and dies. Okay. So compare both. Okay. So which one is the heavier weight? Okay. So thank you, students. So next one. So thank you, students. Please do in your worksheet. Okay. Do this sum. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day.